Yeah, hi guys. I hope everyone is doing great. So welcome again to the channel Data Science AI with Adityavesh. So today we are going to look how to install Python using Anaconda. Okay. So the best thing about Anaconda that we are going to have is that with this Anaconda we will get all the packages that are required for data analytics and data science. So first of all we'll go to the website anaconda.com, and then here we'll go to the product section. We'll navigate towards the product section. There inside the products we'll go to the Anaconda distribution. Okay, once we click on that we'll get to the new page. Here we don't have to do any sign up, we just do the skip the registration and then we'll land up on this page. So in this Anaconda distribution we have to install. Okay, the first side, the left side that you can see, Windows 64-bit graphical installer. We will download it and then we will start with the installation process of this. There is a Miniconda option as well, so we don't have to go with the Miniconda. We'll directly go with the Anaconda, where we'll have all the packages. Once the file is downloaded, then we'll double click on this file, okay, to start with the process of installation. So here it has begun. If I tell you, this file will be of around 1.1 GB, and when you start with the installation, all of these things you have to do agree, and this is for me only you are installing. Yeah, after the installation this file will become of 6.1 GB. Okay, so you should have that space required. Do not change the path of C drive. Okay, directly go with the installation. Nothing you have to do here. Okay, directly you have to go with the installation. No path, nothing. Don't change it. Okay, until and unless it is specified. So keep all the settings respectively as a default they are. Then it will start with the installation process. Here it's going to take some time. Okay, you can see around 5 to 10 minutes it will take for the installation process. It's going to install all the packages which are required. Okay, it will install the Navigator and Anaconda Navigator, where you are going to have different applications that you can work on. So yes, it will take time, so we'll wait for that time. Okay, then yeah. Okay, so once it is done, then we will move ahead with the next step. Okay, successfully it has set up all the things, and then we can go ahead with the next step. We don't have to launch the Navigator, nothing. We can just uncheck them and then we can finish it. We will understand how to launch the Jupyter notebook. So two ways. In the search bar, what you can do is either you can write the Jupyter notebook or you can write Anaconda prompt. It is the command line interface. Any one of you can just open. Okay, Jupyter notebook, if you write, then it will directly land you to the Jupyter notebook page, or command line through this Anaconda prompt you can open it, and here you can write your Jupyter notebook. So for this it will open a Jupyter notebook for you. Okay, before opening the Jupyter notebook at the browser, it will ask for you respective. If you are doing it for the first time on your system, then here it will give a prompt for you, like which application do you want to, through which application. So here you can select your browser. Okay, any of the browser you can select, like Edge or Google Chrome, and set it for always, so that it will always open on that. So I will recommend you go by the Microsoft Edge. Okay, just select that and always click on that. It will open a local host page for you where you can work on your Python codes. But before that, it will first of all open the Jupyter thing here. Okay, once this is opened, then here you'll get this interface where you can open your own notebooks and you can work on that. Okay, yeah, we'll wait. Okay, it has opened here, and here we'll go to the new here. Okay, we would like to create a new Python 3 notebook file, so we'll click on new, and new Python 3 notebook will be created. Yeah, like this Jupyter notebook will get open. The extension of this file will be .ipynb, that is Python notebook file it is, and here you can say we have the different cells, and inside these cells we can start writing with our Python codes. Like here I'm writing Python like the print hello world or print how are you. This is what I'm writing. As soon as you execute it with the play icon, or directly you can do it shift enter, then you'll see the output will be there in front of you. The best thing about this is that you are going to get individual cells here. In those cells you can write down your code and you can directly execute it. Okay, that is what the best thing here you're going to have it. So like this, here I'm writing one code of adding two numbers, let's say A and B, and then after that I'm going to print the sum of these two numbers. It's going to give me the output as 30. Like this, we can start with this notebook thing and we can work on that part. Finally, suppose you feel like I want to close it, okay, because backend your CLI, the command line interface is also working. Okay, so before that, yes, there are three types of cells you are going to get. One is your code cell, another is the markdown cell where you can write down your text, okay, all the text in a formatted way. Like this is my first Python notebook, so I'll just write it and then execute it. It will be not a code cell, but it will be a text cell where it will be well proper formatted. It will come like this. Okay, so proper documentation I can maintain it along with the code here. For closing it, I'll just close it, the browser thing, and then the command line interface as well, I have to close it. Okay, then this will get closed. Okay, you understood how to do the installation process of Anaconda to work on Python. If you have really liked the video, you can go with the subscribe button. You can subscribe the channel. In the future upcoming videos, I'm going to get the complete Python tutorial for you all. Okay, so okay guys, stay tuned, take care, bye bye, I'll see you in the next video.